Okay, let's talk about the iGrid Evo indicator and automated systems that we have running on various platforms to include NT8. The idea is using a unique indicator with very modern math and two-dimensional smoothing. We have markets that are oscillating in narrow ranges from a upside momentum to downside momentum shift point to suddenly a downside momentum to upside momentum shift point. To have those entries and exits, we can hold our own. We're not getting beat up. If we suddenly get long and then we have to get short, it's all about holding your own in cyclical, oscillating, or narrow ranges of price, and then making a large amount of money in any running trends. So the iGrid Evo has a lot of adjustability. We have multiple axes of adjustability. We can adjust both of our unique smooth Heikin-Ashis. We can select the type of math we use in the smoothing. So this is an indicator that has what I call numerous or multiple ways for stability. What that means is when you're doing optimizing, you have a wide range of potential to find very dialed in settings to get this instrument, regardless whether you're on a time-based chart, a tick chart, a volume chart, or a Renko chart, very dialed in and with settings that last an extended period of time, meaning you don't have to keep going and changing your settings week over week. So even the market sped up at a faster pace. I wanted you to be able to see how the indicator plots. And again, many indicators get beat up in the chop, and yeah, they might make you some money in the hard running trends, but the iGrid Evo purposely designed to be very strong so that you can come out of choppy periods, near flat to slightly positive or slightly down, but then in the running trends, especially when we trade dynamic positions. So we're all about adding to positions that start running in our intended direction. So if I flip to the short side and I'm working a short initial or primary entry, and I'm adding, and then I got to get out of those trades. On a trade like that, even though the market didn't make a very big move, I still get out of the trade with some profit. But then when I get into a trade where I'm adding multiple times into a running trend, before we get a flip to the counter side, or before I hit a daily profit objective, or before I hit specific set targets, all these capabilities are in our automated system. You can set time of day windows, you can set daily dollar amount profit objective, daily dollar amount stop, protective stop. And we do have the ability where we're just working static trades from flip point to flip point, which works actually really good on certain time frames and settings. Now, the other way, though, we run iGrid Evo, and as I intended, was to take advantage of running trends and add into running trends. So when the market makes significant moves, we've pyramided into a running trend and taken advantage of that, and that's where you get your prime profitability. Adding to a position that's going in your intended direction until we have evidence that move has completed. Now this is actually on a pretty low time frame Renko chart, so even down on a time frame that I would use, and I haven't really done much optimization at all in this, I can find iGrid settings that pair up with this time frame to go in and beat up the NQ in this case, whether I'm trading manual discretionary or trading fully automated. So we have the iGrid Evo automated systems running on MT4, MT5, C-Trader platform. We also have it running on the NT8 platform. On TradingView, we have the iGrid Evo indicator, and we're facilitating it to work with third-party tools for those that want to do trade copying out to other platforms off iGrid Evo signals. So there you have it, the iGrid Evo in action at 30 times typical market speed. You can use it on time-based charts, Renko, range bar, tick charts, volume, whatever you want. You don't have to use just Renkos. And again, when you're adding to a trade that's continuing to run in your intended direction, the efficiency of that style of trading and the dynamics of your profitability are massively enhanced by moving to directional trading away from what I would call typical static trading. Okay, there you have it, the iGrid Evo indicator and automated system. For access for our special discounted one-time buy programs, you can contact us at info@gridalgo.com as we get ready to transition to quarterly subscription model only access in the days ahead. So there you have it, the iGrid Evo indicator and discussion on the iGrid Evo automated system for the NT8 platform, MT4, MT5, C-Trader, and now we have the indicator running in the TradingView platform. If you have any questions, again, info@gridalgo.com, and have a great weekend.